How to send voice messages on Discord in the PC. Hello Discord users. Want to send voice messages to your friends or fellow server members on Discord using your PC? Let's explore how to do that in a simple method. Begin by launching in the app and log into your account. Navigate to the user or server you want to send that voice message to. You can do this by clicking on the user's name in the direct messages section. To send a voice message, you need to be in a voice channel. If you're not already in a voice channel, click on the voice channel you want to join to initiate a voice call. Once you're in the voice channel, press and hold the push to talk key button, usually configured as the left control key by default, on your keyboard to start recording your voice message. While holding down the key button, speak your message. Once you're done recording your message, release the push to talk key button. Discord will automatically send the recorded voice message to the selected user or server. Verify that the voice message has been sent successfully by checking this chat window in the Discord app. If you need to edit or delete the voice message, you can do so by clicking on the three dots next to the message and selecting the appropriate option from the menu. Whether it's a quick update, a funny joke, or a heartfelt message, voice messages add a personal touch to your Discord conversations. So happy chatting, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.